Hello and good morning, students. Children, as we discussed that the United Nations was formed after the end of the Second World War. The countries could feel that the war only brings destruction, death and loss of life and property. So the countries together felt the need for an organization which will be taking care of all the countries in the world and will solve the disputes between the countries. There may be disputes between the two countries or some of the countries. It's always possible. Whether you are at home or in school, we sometimes have some dispute. We sometimes agree or disagree on certain topics. But there should be somebody who should be taking care of these disputes and solving the problems. So, with this objective, the United Nations was formed, as we discussed, that the countries came together and decided to form the organization, which did not belong to any particular nation or any particular block of nations. Children, at that time, on 24th of October 1945, 51 nations together signed a charter. Charter, as you can say, that it was a deal or an agreement that the nations will abide by the rules and regulation of the United Nations. Okay, charter, a written description of how an organization to be formed and how it should function. So the rules and regulation was written down and it was signed by 51 nations, including India. India was also a part of it. At present, children, we have 193 nations which are member states of the United Nations. 193 countries of the world are the members of the United Nations. Okay? So children, and at present we have 193. At that time, in the year 1945, it was 51 nations. And it was decided that the United Nations headquarters will be at New York. You have a picture in your, this is the United Nations Secretariat building in New York, which is the main office of the head of the United Nations, and he is known as the Secretary General. At present, children, we have this Antonio Guterres. He is from Portugal, a Portuguese national. Antonio Guterres is the 9th Secretary General of the United Nations. 9th. He is the 9th Secretary General of the United Nations. You must have seen him in the news channel due to COVID. Many a times he delivers his speech related to this pandemic. So children, the representatives of 51 countries met at San Francisco in the USA on 24th of October 1945. It is in USA that they met in the place San Francisco and signed the charter. As I told you, charter is a document where you have to, how it is to be formed and what are the functions of the organization is mentioned there. India was one of them. 24th October every year is observed as the United Nations Day, and there are at present 193 member states. The headquarters of the new United Nations, now at present it is in New York. It was formed in the charter was signed in San Francisco. The Secretary General is the Chief Administrative Officer of the United Nations. Now he is also not elected by, it is voted. He is voted and chosen from all the nations of the world. And if you see, children, there are so many Secretary General who have worked in United Nations. Now, this United Nations objective is to look after the dispute related to two countries or maybe some of the countries or any other disputes in the world. Even issues like health, issues like disasters and other pollution issues are also taken up by the United Nations. As you know, during this pandemic they played a big role, this United Nations, in bringing down the rate of mortality in this world and taking care of the medical facilities and other necessary arrangements were done by the United Nations. Okay, thank you.